Welcome to the Good Times I Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple chicken recipe. This is going to be chicken breasts with lemon. We hope you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as we did. So the first step is you're going to cut a medium-sized lemon into half. And then you're just going to squeeze out all the juice, making sure not to have any of the seeds in there. So just squeeze it out. This is all the lemon juice we got from this lemon. Next step, you're going to get your nicely finely cut chicken breasts. And you're just going to cut them with flour on each side. You're going to do this for every piece, turning them carefully, making sure they're all covered with flour. Nothing should be added to the flour, just do this with plain flour. So you can see all our pieces are nicely coated with flour. So the next step, you get a nice big pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And then you're just going to fry your chicken in there. So fry your chicken until it starts to give you a golden brown color on one side. Then it's cooked to the level you want. At this point, we haven't added any salt, so we're just frying the chicken with the flour. So when you see that golden color, add your lemon juice, mix it all up. You can see you have like this nice thick sauce in there. So just turn all the chicken pieces to the other side, making sure they all get this lemon flavor. And then to cook it all together, you're going to use some broth. So you can use chicken broth, just a glass of broth. Chicken broth or just a classic broth, but this is what you use to even salt your chicken. So let it simmer down. This is what you get to have, a nice sauce, nicely cooked chicken. Bon appetito à tutti. We hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, it's bye-bye.